In this lesson, we're going to start using Git. Git is a tool, and like every tool, it was designed to solve a problem. Well, what kind of problem? Let me show you an example. Let's create a simple project. Just name it Project 1. And let's open the IDE to create a simple file. Create index.html and paste some basic text. There we go. Okay, so imagine you've been working on that file for a month. During the first week, you've added line 1. During the second week, you've added line 2. During your third week, you deleted line 2. And you've added line 3. And today, you want to go back to the state when you only had line 1 and line 2. How do you do that? Well, of course, you can use backups. But in real world, you don't make only one change per week. You do tens, hundreds, and sometimes thousands changes per week. In this case, backups don't work. And this is where Git comes in. With Git, it doesn't matter how many changes you make to a file. You can go back as far as you want instantly. Let me show you how. For now, don't try to remember or understand the command I'm going to use. I'm going to explain them in detail in the next lessons. For now, the only thing I want to show you is the general idea why and how we should use Git. Okay, now we're going to be describing the changes that we make to a file. Line 2. I'm going to add line 3. We're just going to delete line 2. And delete line 3. There we go, almost there. Okay, so now we came to the current state where we want to go back to the state where we only had line 2 and line 1. Let's see what history we have. Git log. As you can see, we have recorded all the states of the file during the course of development. So let's go back to the state where we only had line 1 and line 2. There we go. And check the browser. And we can see line 1 and line 2. We're going to go back to the state where we deleted line 2. Let's just do that. There we go. And now let's go back to the current state. And there we go. Back to the current state. You can do all the same things in Mercurial, It's just the commands will be different. As we can see, version control systems are like time machine for your files. See you in the next lesson.